How about that on the road victory? Resilience. The resilience. What did I tell you? The resilience. Hey, Gage, you do your thing. You do your thing. You pinning them back every time you do your thing. You did a big play. Rico, you did a big play. Bobby Boucher, you did a big play. Tito, you did a big play. The Water Girl, you did a big play. Rick. And Sarah and Accountant. Media crew. You did a big play. The Rookie. What you say, Coach? We can't hear you. Shador Sanders. Say a little louder, Coach. Shador Sanders.
Losing my job at the end of the sea.